Hey y'all, just one more quick one here on Saturday the 13th. This one's just for Scott, our new buddy Scott Career down in North Carolina. He had shoulder surgery and he's going to be racked up for a while. So we figure we'll make a little video, give him something to watch. It won't be very long, but we're playing with our old Craftsman Mini Lathe, little benchtop lathe. We're just cleaning up these front wheel hubs. Getting all the parts and pieces. As you can see, everything's doing on now. We're packing up all the parts and stuff for the Zip Kart, just so whatever's going to be used is in the right spot. We got some couple other pieces to clean up too, but that's it, buddy. We're just hanging out. You said you were going to give me a call. I'm just waiting on you to give me a call. We were sharing some text messages there, and it's turning out to be a nice day. She's warmed up to about 55 or so on the back wall, so toes aren't cold. I'm going to keep plugging away long as I can, long as I can hang out here and not freeze. So hang in there, buddy. We're thinking about you. We're just playing around. Going to get over and probably work on the shifter cart for a little while. Maybe tomorrow afternoon. At least go over and take the gauge off. Choose one of the other gauges we have to put on it. And no real work until Monday. We're off until Monday, so. That's it. Hang in there, Scotty. Like I said, we're praying for you. Playing around with our little Craftsman Mini Lathe with power feed, by the way. Let me show you how it works, Scott. Power's on. So this is spindle. So it's on a rheostat, so it's adjustable speed, right? It's all belt driven. And then, of course, we got over here, we have our cross feed. You go, it's going to bring us in, and you can obviously tune that to cut fast and slow, right? In and out. Cher doesn't want to be on the movie, right? So we can shut that off. So that's our mini lathe, and we're using it today just to polish some stuff up, clean some stuff up. Hang in there, get better, buddy. We'll talk to you later.